listening to the Pinoy Podcast. Good morning. This is the Pinoy Podcast, Saturday edition. This is Coach G with G Chandela. I'm broadcasting from the New York area, and Gigi Chandela is broadcasting from the Greater Manila area. Today is the 31st of August, 2013. It's the last Saturday of the month. So we're almost in the latter half of the year, and the weather is getting cooler and cooler. We welcome all the guests, the live audience in our podcast, and today I'm going to introduce to you Miss Christine Pierce, one of the team members of PinoyPodcast.com. But before I do that, let me just welcome to the studio Digi Chandela. Okay, before we continue, DJ Chandela, let's do a mic test. Can they hear you? Can you hear DJ Chandela? Can they hear you? Yeah, can they hear you? Why don't you continue speaking so they can we can test. We can test. So, oh, they can't hear you. Oh, that's gonna be trouble. Let me just see the settings here. I may have. Oh, I see the problem now. Yeah. Okay, sorry, DJ Chandela. Okay, can you speak now?
Hi, can you hear me now?
Yeah, they can hear you.
Can you hear me, Drew? Dee?
Speak. Yeah, you're on air.
I am. They can hear me
Yeah,
now?
we're sorry about that technical problem, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to
Okay.
use this
No.
technology called Spreaker. So, did you Chandler?
Okay.
Yeah. Could you speak again? Could you greet them again? Because they missed the first part.
Okay. Hi, Manila. This is Chandela. It's 8:48, and we're gonna be talking
What?
about a lot of things tonight,
You're gonna be what?
like surprise.
Well, I told them it's the last Saturday of the month. So how's the weather there? Lumalamig na ba?
Freaking hot.
What?
Hot.
Akala ko
It's
lumalamig na kasi September na.
No, it's hot. Like I was in Manila kanina, it's hot.
How hot? Like, can you give us an idea of the temperature? Like, humid, hot, what?
30
What kind of hot?
hot. Humid. Maalinsangan.
Mhm.
No wind.
No wind.
Yeah. Yung parang feeling mo paglabas mo ng bahay, manlalagkit ka. Alam mo yun?
Oh yeah, alam mo, when I was there like 7 years ago, that was a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
Yung pagligo mo, tapos paglabas mo, pawisan ka na agad.
Yeah.
Ay, grabe.
Especially pagkagaling ko.
Mhm.
Pagkagaling ko ng office, lamig from the inside, and paglabas ko, God, it's so hot.
So you went to Manila, and how's the traffic?
I went to
How's the
it's
traffic in Manila?
Nung papunta ako ng mga alas 12 ata yun, ng tanghali,
Mm-hmm.
dumating ako ng Alabang, took me 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours to go to Manila?
Mm-hmm. All the voices are gone. Are we
No, we're on
disconnected?
air. We're broadcasting. I think Danielle has a problem with her speaker.
Siguro, with her
It's
connection.
always her problem. It's always her problem, Danielle. What's your problem? Bigyan mo nga ng bagong speaker si Danielle.
I'm gonna have to, apply her a new internet plan.
Yeah. Kunan mo siya ng bagong internet plan. Baka naka-dial up
Okay.
si Danielle eh.
Pardon?
Naka-dial up siya.
Yeah. I think kasi marami sila ni-share sa bandwidth, so medyo mahina.
Now, ako naman ang mahina ngayon.
Medyo mahina ka daw. Ayun, may problema talaga si D eh. D, magpalit kayo ng ISP! Takte, ano?
Alam mo, nainis na ako
God.
sa microphone mo eh. Dapat ko nang ihagis
Okay.
sa dingding to. Malapit ko nang ihagis sa dingding ang aking mikropono.
Buti pa ako, wala ka problema.
Alam mo yung mga nainis ka? Dapat
Ako?
dapat umaandar tapos hindi aandar eh.
Okay. Ganun talaga. Hindi lahat ng gusto mo makukuha mo.
Kasi nakakainis na eh.
Aha. O, di apply kita bukas ng bagong ISP ha.
Si Danielle? Yeah.
Oo.
The ISP. What's your ISP, Danielle?
I think it's using Smart Bro.
Is using Smart Bro?
Oo, or Globe. Either.
Ikaw, anong gamit mong ISP?
PLDT my DSL.
Oh, PLDT.
Yeah.
How's PLDT, by the way? As an internet service provider.
Okay naman siya. Okay naman siya sa akin. Nadoon sa iba.
Really?
Wala namang problema. Yeah. The only problem is, I don't get my bill sa kanila. I don't know if they can find me because the building where I live in is relatively new or hindi nila ako kilala. Hindi nila pinapansin. How do I get my bills? I'm not getting any bills since I subscribe for this. So what I do is I just pay sa mga bayad centers like sa mall.
No, wait. How do you know when it's time to pay, or how do you know how much you're gonna pay if you don't get your bill?
It's fixed already. Fixed na yung rate kung magkano yung babayaran ko.
You don't
Tapos,
get overcharges? Like,
no, nothing like that. No overcharges.
some of our listeners might be living outside the Philippines and they want to go to the Philippines. They want to live in the Philippines or maybe take a vacation. Could you describe to them what plans are available to them on like cell phone plans? Like for a cell phone plan, can you give us an idea how much it's gonna cost me to have a cell phone plan there? On the average.
Depende yan sa pangangailangan mo at kung anong klase ng telepono ang gusto mo to go with the plan.
No,
It all
I'm not
depends.
talking about the phone. I'm talking about the plan. Like, let's say I'm an average user.
There's a plan for as low as 300 to 400 pesos a month.
Okay, how many minutes can that get me and how many text messages?
I believe that's unlimited for the same network.
Unlimited text, unlimited talk for 400?
No, Not unlimited talk, unlimited text.
And how many minutes?
Kasi, kasi dito, G, you can have your own, your own plan na on how you, depending nga sa pangailangan mo, if you're more of a caller, if you're more of a texter, or you're mostly online, they can design it for you, depende sa pangangailangan mo.
Oh, so they can customize it for you.
Oh, ginawa mo daw akong customer service, sabi ni Drew. Oo nga naman. Oh, check ka.
Hindi kasi let's say I'm a balikbayan tapos kailangan ko ng phone. I have no idea. Okay, so the average is around 600, 400?
If you're just on a vacation,
Let's say
you can get
I wanna talk all day. I wanna talk all day, like to my kamag-anak. Like I'm gonna call them from Cebu, from whatever, from Pampanga, Manila.
Ayan nga. If you're just on a vacation and you want to talk.
Yeah, just talk. Yeah.
Meron ng mga prepaid cards ngayon, then you register for may mga promo sila na unlimited call for 1 month. Depende kung ano network yan. Sa Globe, I believe unlimited call for 1 month is around 750 pesos. That's prepaid.
Okay.
I believe the Smart unlimited talk for a month would cost you about 450.
Limited? How much?
450.
Limited
Sa
what?
Sun,
Limited talk?
yeah, limited talk. The Sun, which I am using right now, is like, this is my prepaid number.
Yeah.
I only like spend 300 pesos a month. That's unlimited call.
Mhm.
No, not unlimited call. 750 minutes
Yeah.
to all networks, unlimited text of the same network, and 500 text messages to other networks.
Oh.
Good for 1 month.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what service can you recommend? Like, halimbawa, balikbayan ako, tapos umuwi ako sa Pilipinas. Yan, meron ka bang alam na cellphone plans? Ano ba yung magandang company na puntahan ko? Yung hindi ka mapapahiya.
So, that would have to be Globe.
Globe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi yung nanay ko, dalawang SIM niya. Hindi ko lang ba't ginagawa niya. Meron siyang Sun, meron siyang...
Kasi yung mga unlimited talk offers, it's for the same network lang yon. Usually, kunwari sa Sun. Kung mas marami siyang usap sa Sun, di magsa-Sun siya. But the thing is, kunwari, meron din siya mga ibang kakilala na ka-smart na wala namang extra load para mag-text sa Sun, which will cost you 1 peso.
Mm-hmm.
So, the tendency is you'll get a smart SIM card.
So, okay lang na magkaroon ng dalawang SIM? Depende sa network? Depende sa kung ano yung mas mura, ganun?
Oo, kasi meron din mga telepono na dual SIM na ngayon. Meron pa nga tatlong SIM sa isang telepono. So, si telepono medyo naloloka-loka siya minsan. Kung nangyayari, mag-switch ka from Globe to Sun to Smart. Why are you asking?
Yun, pag ginagawa mo, magkakaroon ka ng schizophrenia.
Okay.
How do you manage 3 phone numbers?
I manage 2.
So you have 2 SIMs on your phone.
No, I have 2 phones.
You have 2 phones.
Yes.
And why do you have 2 phones?
Di ba nga yung isa is for personal use and the other one is for work.
Oh, a company issued phone, right?
The one, my number, is that's my personal number.
Oh, look at what Drew said. She has Sun, Smart, and Globe.
Mm-hmm.
Siguro si Drew artista, no? Tatlo yung telepones niya. Kahit 10 cellphone? What the? Oh, kahit 10 SIM, pwede pa?
Hindi kasi dito sa Pilipinas ngayon, it's like, SIM cards are like only 10 pesos to 15 pesos. It's easy for you to change number.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
So, pag may nakipag-break ka na dun sa boyfriend mo, tinatago-taguan mo ng konti, change ka na ng number.
Did you hear that?
Huh?
Did you hear that?
What? Did I hear what?
That? Chipmunk.
Yeah.
So, pero kung magkaroon ng 10 SIM, sabi ni Danelle.
Yeah. With 5 phones.
So I can have 10 SIMs with 5 phones.
Uh-huh.
Why would I need 5 phones? Tell me.
Kasi nga.
Why would I need 5 phones?
Dalawang SIM sa isang... Ano ba? Why are you asking me all this? Pagod naman ako doon. You suck my energy there, ha? Kulit?
No, let's say I'm a customer, you're a customer service rep. Okay?
Oh.
You gotta have patience.
Okay.
You gotta have patience.
Kung katulad mo naman kausap,
Because you're trying to get
kakalbo naman ako.
You're trying to get my business, right? Gusto mo maging customer mo ako. So, lahat ng tanong ko sasagutin mo.
Sana, hopefully, ganun ang sitwasyon. Pero since ito naman pawang mga, haka-haka at hindi naman ito katotohanan, I can tell you off.
Hindi. Ako nga, balikbayan ako, uuwi. Balikbayan ako, okay? Pumunta ako.
Where's my brandy? I need my brandy. You're pissing me off. Okay.
Teka muna. Dali.
Depende. Okay. Ang kulit ni Gian, sinabi na nga depende nga di ba? Hindi, depende nga.
Today lang.
Kung
Pwede akong magsalita?
Okay.
Okay. Balikbayan ako. Okay. Pag landing ko sa airport, lumabas ako ng kalye. Nagpunta ako sa Ermita. Nakita ko yung tindahan mo ng cellphone. Nagtinda ka ng cellphone, di ba? Sabihin ko, miss, wala akong telephone eh. Ano ba magandang phone? Ito. Ano ba magandang phone ngayon? Yeah. Ano sasagutin mo?
Well, it depends, sir. Are you more of a surfer, caller, or texter?
Texter? What's a texter? What?
Texter.
Oh. No, gusto ko lang makausap yung nanay ko. Oh. Tsaka gusto kong kausapin yung mga kaibigan ko na buong araw. Gusto ko buong araw kong sasalita.
Sir, are you asking me what kind of phone can I offer you, or what kind of plan,
what kind of phone can you offer me?
Phone.
Phone.
What kind of phone?
What kind of phone you can offer me?
How much are you willing to spend, sir?
Budget ko is around 15,000 pesos.
Well, then I can give you some Windows type of phone.
No. I don't want Windows. Windows is stupid.
Okay, you don't want Windows. You want what? It depends.
Gusto ko yung
so
Android.
Android. Android phone?
Hindi. Ayaw ko ng Android. Gusto ko yung yung pantawag lang. Yung gusto ko yung talk lang.
Gusto mo, sir, pantawag lang? Wait. Lando, pakuha nga yung 3310 dyan. Pantawag lang daw.
3310?
Ilang pantawag po ba? 3310. May 15 minutes.
Yung buong araw ako lang sasalita, yung hindi namamatay yung baterya.
Oh, bigyan mo na to ng 10-3310 na full charge, ha? Para makaalis na to dito, umiinit ang ulo ko.
Miss. Where's your manager? Where's your manager? I wanna talk to your manager.
Ah. give me some 10, give me 10 pesos. I'll buy myself some manners.
Alam mo, hindi ka pwede sa customer service. Mainit ang ulo.
Hindi! Malamang. Ay, nako. Ayan, sabi ni Drew, gusto mo nung ano.
Bakit naman?
Oo. Hindi, Drew, hindi baterya ng kotse kailangan ito. Baterya ng truck, yung 10 SMF. Merong ilang bang plates ng 10 SMF? About 46 plates. Siguro naman, kasya na yun. Pantawag, 10 linggo. Walang patayan. Kaya lang yun, hindi yun nakakabit sa telepono. Isasakay mo yun sa likod mo, naka-backpack. Ano, tawa ka dyan. Ano pa sa yung inquiries mo?
Gusto ko yung plan. Meron kayong plan? Cellphone plan?
Ay, sir, ako po yung nagtitinda lang ng cellphone. Doon po kayo pumunta sa Smart Center o kaya sa Globe.
Bakit? You're so rude.
I am not rude. I am not rude. You only get what you deserve.
They said it's more fun in the Philippines, and yet you're so rude.
No, guard!
Wala na. Sabi nga namang insect, paktay negosyo. Paktay negosyo sa'yo. Pag nagkaroon ako ng cellphone tindahan sa Manila, hindi kita kukunin na manager.
O, di wag, may trabaho.
Ako.
Hindi ko na kailangan mag-manager sa isang tindahan ng cellphone, may trabaho ako.
Wait, sabi ni Daniel, Samsung can go for a week on standby.
Yeah, merong, yung phone yun, ang tindi ng baterya nun. Hindi lang kahit more than 1 week.
Samsung, in fairness, has one of the best products out there.
Ah, yeah.
Yung
Gumagawa.
washer and dryer namin, Samsung eh. Yung washer and dryer. Cellphone namin, Samsung.
Kami gumagawa ng chips niyan.
Samsung? Kayong gumagawa ng chips?
Yeah, ng ISIS niyan.
Hey, bakit may message si Daniel doon?
Tektusan mo, Danilo. Utusan, kulang yun. Tektus dapat dito. Galit.
Pag Sabado pala, Pag Sabado pala, it's a girls' day, ha?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, speaking of Sabado, this is the last Saturday of the month, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you guys do on the last weekend of the month?
Ako, special. I don't know, except pay my bills because lahat ng bills ko katapusan ng due date.
Lahat?
Yeah, the electricity, the water, house rent, the internet. Yeah, credit card.
Car payment. Car payment. Alam mo, si Daniel parang niaaway ako.
Niaaway ka? Eh, paano? Namimiloso po ka eh.
Sabi niya, pinantatawag mo rin ang washer and dryer mo?
Walang...
Yun eh. May Bluetooth yung washer
Yun ang
and
gusto niya.
dryer ko, may Bluetooth. Pwede ko pantawag.
Okay. Whatever.
Whatever. So we started late today.
Yeah.
I
Because
wonder why.
I was out and you were sleeping.
Hey guys, so do you still want us to be on air on Saturdays? I mean, don't you want to take a break or something?
Be careful for what you wish for. You might get it.
Wala na tuloy social life si Shangela dahil sa mga broadcast. Hindi na siya makapag-karaoke.
Oh, it's okay. I'll sing sa Monday siguro.
You said you were supposed to go out last night, but what happened? No, I mean Friday night.
Friday night. Last night? Yeah, last night. I was with you last night, remember?
Yeah, but you were supposed to go out with a friend.
No, I told her to come over instead. She wanted to go out, so sabi ko siya na lang.
Oh, okay.
Nga, diba? I have to go to Manila today, so I don't want to be wasted. And it turned out na it's not a training pala.
What was it?
It was actually a surprise from my boss. He made me sign some documents because Shangela here was promoted.
You were promoted? Wow. What kind of promotion?
Secret. I'll tell you later.
No, tell me. You were promoted to what, like manager?
I'll tell you later.
So a lot of happened there.
Really?
So you were promoted to what? To a manager position?
Position and salary grade.
Wow, ang galing. Magpakanton ka naman. Diba?
Ha?
Manglibre ka. Libre mo kami.
Dumawag ka. Papakanton ako sa'yo.
Alam mo, ewan ko lang ha, parang ayaw kong tunog nung magpakanton, parang hindi magandang pakinggan eh.
I don't know. Kasi pag may special occasion, di ba? Pansit, kanton.
Mm-hmm. Hey guys, DJ Shan was promoted. She makes libre.
Libre.
Saan ka raw man ni libre?
Ewan ko.
Alam mo, ang mahirap pag na-promote ka na ng manager, alam mo yung mahirap doon? Ikaw ang unang masisibak pag may nangyaring sa performance ng department.
Siyempre, you have to, you take responsibility.
Yeah, sometimes people don't want to be promoted to manager because of the responsibility. Ba, sino ba unang nasisibak pag hindi maganda ang performance ng unit? Di ba manager?
Teka lang, naiihi ako.
Okay guys, we're gonna take a break. I'm gonna play this song. This is requested by Drew. It's Stupid Love.
Nang ma-inlove ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero hindi nagtagal. Nagpapabasti ng tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay mapagmataas at lagi namimintas. Pero sarili kong pera ang iyong winawaldas. Para kang spigs, ugali mo'y napakastigs. Kung hiyain mo ko, talagang nakakashrink. Girlie, pity, bye-bye, don't tell a lie. Bakit mo ako laging dinideny? All the goods I've done, wala man lang recognition. Mahilig kang mga leksyon, binaliwala aking attention. Yo, anyway, everyday iba't ibang kasang iyong ka-text. And then one time nahuli kita na meron kang ka-sex. Mas gugustuhin ko pa na magpa-crucify kesa harap-harapan mo akong stupefy. So don't be mad, so don't be sad. Lahat ng kabulukan mo ilalahad. Stupid!
Buhay ko ay nag-iba simula nang makilala ka. Every hour, every minute, nais kang makita. Halos di kumain, makausap lang sa phone. Between you and me, until the break of dawn. No one else comes close, pangako sa isa't isa. Ngunit napatunayan mo ba nang balik ang kanya? Pinatapat sa akin na siya'y mahal pa rin. Anong magagawa ko kundi ikaw ay palayain? Halos isumpa sa sakit na naidulot. Pero bakit ang katulad mo di pa rin malimot? Nagmahal ako ng iba ngunit ako'y bigo. Sa pag-ibig ko sa'yo ako'y bilanggo. Tumingin sa salamin na alala ang nakalipas. Masakit palang maging palakip butas. Pero bago ang lahat ipagtatapat sinta. Mahal kita sincerely, Diyos Bendetta. Minahal kita pero ako'y ginagumo. And it took a long time bago pa makarecover. Sa ginawa mo sa akin ay meron pa akong hangover. Naaalala mo pa ba nung tayo pa kasama ka saan man ako magpunta? Pinagsilbihan kita mula ulo hanggang paa. Pati ang rap panty mo ako ang naglalaba. Kinukonsinti ka kung merong nagawang mali. Oo na, sige na, tama ka naman palagi. Mga inutos mo sa akin, di ko sinuway. Mas sinusunod na nga kita kesa sa aking nanay. Lahat na lang ng bagay binigay ko sa iyo. Naging sunod-sunuran ako na parang aso. Pag may kausap kang iba, ako'y dinidinay. Basta gwapo ang guy, maaga kang bumibigay. Damn, napaka-estupido ng puso kong ito. Ano ba ang dahilan at ako'y ginanito mo? Inaway mo ako at iyong itinaboy. At sa ibang boy, nakipaglaro ka ng apoy. Ako'y nananaghoy, puso ko ay nabiyak. Wasak na wasak ang puso ni Nasty Mac. Inaamin ko noon na minahal nga kita. Pero ngayon, binabawi ko na. Stupid!
You're listening to the Pinoy Podcast.
And we're back on air. This is G with the Pinoy Podcast, and I'm with G Chandela. You know why I did something stupid again?
What?
My mic was turned off as I was speaking. I realized.
Okay.
Again?
Okay. Hey.
So, Danielle, can you hear me now?
Yeah. I hear
Danielle,
you.
can you hear me now?
Okay.
Okay, so that was Stupid Love, a song requested by Drew. We played it yesterday, and I think that was the song that triggered this controversial discussion about Bong and the headlight smashing incident, right?
Oh, get over it, G.
So are you free to continue the story?
No.
And why?
No. No, the like.
So wala na pag-asang matuloy yung storya. Nung si Bong, si Jay, tapos yung basagan ng headlights.
No more? I do want to hear about it.
You don't want to hear about it. Okay. Time check, it's 9:17 a.m. and we have 13 minutes remaining in the broadcast.
How much more?
13.
Na lang?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we're only live for until 9:30 in the morning.
Okay.
And we started late.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, by the way, do you want to listen to Christine Pierce? She sent a recorded broadcast.
What
You want
about?
to listen to it?
What about?
I can play it on the player if you want.
What about?
This is her introduction to Pinoy Podcast.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna play it, monitor it on the player so you can hear it.
Mm-hmm.
This is like a 6-minute broadcast from Christine Pierce, one of the team members of PinoyPodcast.com.
Aloha! Magandang umaga po. My name is Christine Pierce, and I'm broadcasting from the beautiful island of Oahu, Hawaii, USA. I am so thrilled to be part of Pinoy Podcast, and I'm looking forward to sharing what I know. So today on this special episode of Pinoy Podcast, I am answering several questions that I hope will also help you in your journey. So whatever it is, if you're looking into starting your own home business or you have an existing business, I want you to be inspired to go after your dreams and finally get them because you deserve it. So let's get down to business. Again, my name is Christine Pierce. Pierce is my married name. I was born in Manila in 1979, and I earned my Bachelor of Science major in Computer Science degree in 2000. So after about 2 months after graduation, I worked in the corporate until 2006. Until finally I had it. I realized that I am my own boss. I am an entrepreneur. I always think out of the box. I always think big. So, alam ko, a lot of you can relate. I've worked in the corporate offices in Makati and Ortigas for that long, about 5.5 years. And I experienced everything. Traffic, flood, typhoon. I worked from 8 to 5, you name it. So after that, I decided it was time for me to go after my longtime dream of becoming a broadcast journalist. With the help of my good friends and mentors who are both top-notch broadcast journalists and TV radio hosts, I was able to get trained to become a broadcast journalist for the top broadcast network in Manila. One of the major setbacks in my life was in 2006, while I was almost at the peak of my broadcasting career in Manila. I was diagnosed with a severe case of Hashimoto's thyroiditis or severe hypothyroidism, which is an autoimmune disease. This has caused me sudden weight gain. I was so lethargic and so weak. I had major muscle and joint aches. I was even stuttering. In addition, I became more forgetful. My thought processes suddenly slowed. I had major brain fog. And worse, I felt depressed. This was on top of my already problematic lungs. I was severely asthmatic as well, and on regular medication and had frequent hospitalizations due to my asthma attacks. Right there and then, my dream was shattered, and I had to put everything on hold. Now, before working full-time online, in 2007 I started blogging and getting paid for it. I came to the US in 2008, got married, and despite being online since 2000, my internet marketing journey didn't start until 2008. I was then a stay-at-home wife with nothing to do, and then I gave birth to my firstborn son in mid-2009. It was then that I started putting up website after website, offering services after services, trying this and that, buying this and that. So if you know what bright shiny object syndrome is, you'd know exactly what I've gone through. It was a struggle to be marketing online, especially if you don't know what you're doing, or if you don't have someone coaching you or guiding you. Now fast forward to 2012. I built my brand, I am creating my own info products, and eventually I fulfilled my dream of becoming a published author. Since then, I founded iMommySuccess.com and several other websites, and my goal is to help as many moms and dads as I can so they can take control of their life too, all in the comfort of their home and family. So if you've been struggling in your home business or looking into working at home and starting your own home business, or you may have health issues like I do, or other hurdles in life that you're trying to overcome, worry no more. Because after struggling with my home business myself and my health beating this autoimmune disease, I made it my mission to help fellow moms and even dads or single people like yourself finally break through. That is why I have established Christine Pierce TV, my own YouTube channel, where I show you exactly how to do that. So I invite all of you to join me on a journey every week as I share new videos with my latest mom tips, mindset and motivational lessons, business strategies, home-based work ideas, and actually help you build and grow a sustainable and successful home business for you and your family. If you could use a little inspiration and be inspired to go after your dreams and finally get them, you'll want to tune in to Pinoy Podcast and Christine Pierce TV every week. To make sure you stay up to date with all my latest content, make sure to become my newest subscriber by going to youtube.com/Christine Pierce TV and clicking on the subscribe button. And as a gift for all of you listening right now, I have put together my ebook and I want to give it to you absolutely free. All you need to do now is go to kdpublishingboss.com and I'll send you a copy. Now before I go, here's our quote for today. Never give up. You are born to succeed. Inside you is untapped potential. You have unlimited value. Your dreams can definitely come true. So that's about it for today's episode. Thanks again. Maraming salamat po for stopping by and listening. And I look forward to hearing about your success. Till next episode, this is Christine Pierce on Pinoy Podcast, now signing off.
So that was Miss Christine Pierce, one of the team members of PinoyPodcast.com, and that was our way of introducing Christine on our broadcast. So, you heard her, right? Shan?
Yeah.
Wasn't she good?
Yeah.
Very, very good, yeah. So, Christine is from Hawaii, and she's from Manila. She's from Batangas, actually. And just like you, Shan, she got training from ABS-CBN. And but now she's not into broadcasting anymore. And but you could tell she's good. She's very, very good. Yeah. So we're proud to have Christine on board. So what time is it? It's 9:26 in the morning here in the New Jersey, New York area. And what time is it in Manila right now?
9:26 in the evening.
Yeah, so we started late today. Actually, I wasn't sure if we're gonna have a broadcast today, but since this is a daily show,
the show must go on, and we're actually very excited to have a daily broadcast. So, umulan at umaraw, bumagyo man o hindi, nandito ang Pinoy Podcast. So,
Parang kanta yun
oo nga, no? Maganda bang ano yun? Maganda bang slogan yun? Umulan at umaraw, umulan o umaraw, nandito ang Pinoy Podcast.
Umulan at umaraw.
Tama ba yun? Umulan o umaraw.
Umulan man o umaraw.
Umulan man at umaraw, nandito ang
Umulan
Pinoy Podcast.
man o umaraw.
Umulan man o umaraw, nandito si Shandala.
Wait, kapag sinasabi mo yung pangalan ko, Chandela, bakit ganon?
Paano? Shandala.
Para may landi sa dulo.
Parang natatae.
Ew!
Bakit nawala si Drew tsaka si Daniel?
Ewan ko dyan sa mga yan. You there, girls? You know what? I got a PM.
What happened to your Chihuahua up girls?
Wait, Fermina Data PM me the other day,
Mm-hmm.
and she was like, thinking if we can have the spy girls, your spy girls on board. Like one time.
Like on air?
Yeah, one time they'll be on air, the spy girls. Sino-sino ba mga spy girls?
Yeah, I mean, you have the Wednesday segment, right? You have 2
Yeah.
hours.
Yeah.
So why don't you get them on board and have a party?
Sabi ko nga kay Fermina, sige, you get in touch with them.
So like how many you have in mind? Like how many? Like five on board?
I don't know. I mean, hindi ko pa masyadong kilala.
I don't think that's possible.
You don't think that's possible?
Kasi isang girl lang maingay na eh. In 5 pa kaya.
Oo. Ako lang puno na yung studio no?
Kaya nga, ikaw lang puno ng studio eh. Dadagan pa ng 5. Katumbas ka ng 5 eh.
You're making me away again.
I'm not talking about the weighing scale Oh, that was rude. Yeah.
Didn't you miss me? I was out the whole day. Tapos pagdating ko, pag on air natin, you're making me away pa.
Ayan na.
Sad.
Okay. So you lost your self-esteem or something like that?
Oh no, not me.
Oh yeah. Ikaw ang makabagong Pilipina.
Alam mo nga kanina, I was like at the
Matibay.
Robinsons, no? May lumapit sa aking bata.
Mm-hmm.
Yung mga bata na pulubi ba? May dala siyang Meralco bill. Tapos,
Okay.
may dala siyang isang pirasong basahan, yung bilog, yung pangpunas, yung tinatahi lang.
Uh-huh.
Lumapit siya sa akin kasi tanghali yun mga 11 a.m. ganyan.
Okay.
I was like, diba, I was wearing this red turtleneck shirt and I was
Okay.
wearing my sunglasses.
Okay.
Tapos yun, lumapit yung bata sa akin, sabi niya, Hey ma'am, sabi niya gano'n.
Mm-hmm.
Yung mukha kong gano'n. Kasi maliit yung bata eh. Sabi ko, yes? Can you, sabi niya, can you, ganun pagkakasabi niya, can you give me, sabi niya, you have 3 pesos? Sabi ko ba, nag-i-English siya.
Nag-English yung bata? Nag-English talaga, ha?
Oo. Tapos sabi ko, di nag-Tagalog ako, sabi ko, magkano? 15 pesos? Sabi niya, sus naman, nagtatagalog ka pala. Akala ko foreigner ka. Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos inabot niya sa akin yung Meralco bill niya. Alam mo kung magkano?
Magkano?
4,123 pesos.
So yung bata namamalimos para mabayaran yung kuryente niya?
Oo, 4,000. Sabi ko, malaki pa nga yung kuryente nyo sa akin. Ano ba? Ano ba to? Internet shop ba to? Sabi ko.
Ano yan? Bagong ano ba yan? Bagong scam ba yan? O modus yan?
Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko siya pinansin kasi yung basahan na hawak niya, binibenta pa niya sa akin ng 15 pesos ha. Imagine mo that.
Tapos meron siyang hawak na Meralco bill.
Oo. Para daw makaipon siya ng pambayad ng kuryente.
Alam mo, napaisip ako dun eh. On one side, maganda yung ginagawa niya kasi parang he's working hard to pay, his family's bills. Despite the fact na bata pa siya, 'di ba? Parang supposedly hindi niya ginagawa 'yan. Pero nabanggit mo nga, mas malaki pa yung bill niya sa kuryente mo.
Yeah.
I mean, this is not funny, but I find it like contradictory na ito yung bata na mamalimos pero yung bill niya ng kuryente.
Tapos alam mo kung ano yung address dun sa bill. One of the exclusive subdivisions here.
Oh, then it's obvious it's a scam.
Yeah. Sabi ko, tignan mo nga. Sa Governor's Hills ka nakatira? Sabi ko, mas marami ka pang pera kaysa sa akin.
Alam mo, siguro marami na siyang nabentang basahan dahil dyan.
Hindi ko alam. Sabi nung dalawang girl na kasama ko, ikaw lang talaga nilapitan kasi mukha kang Donya, tapos sasabihin mo wala ka kahit 15 pesos.
Oo nga naman. Mukha kang Donya tapos wala kang pera.
I am not to what you call this, to make consente of that kind of doing.
Yeah.
Sabi ko
pero hindi naman siya namamalimos, di ba? He was actually selling something.
Oo. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, bakit ikaw ang gumagawa niya? Nasaan ang parents mo? Sabi niya, nag-aalaga po ng mga kapatid ko. Oh, you tell them to work. Sabi mo sa nanay sa tatay mo, magtrabaho, ha?
Alam mo kung yung batang yon, kung hindi ito widespread na modus operandi or something. Kung yung batang yon, siya lang ang nakaisip niya na magdala ako ng bill tapos yun gagamitin kong parang selling point. Alam mo, magaling siyang salesman. Tingin mo.
Ganon?
Oo, kasi naisip niya yun eh.
At saka, ini-English pa niya ako, ah.
Oh, di ba? Oo. Pero mukha ba siyang dugyot?
Not naman.
Yung mukha ba siyang street kid, ganun?
Hindi naman siya mukhang dugyot. Pero, syempre, siguro kakabilad sa araw, may team siya.
Umitim siya.
Oh, pero I didn't smell him naman like amoy araw or mabaho. Hindi naman.
Well, that was an interesting story. So, meron palang ganun.
Yeah.
Gagamit ng bill para makapagbenta ng basahan.
Ay, nagulat nga ako eh. Sabi ko, patingin na, 4-1? Sabi ko,
4-1.
At sa Governor...
Tapos yung address pala nasa Plush Subdivisions.
Oo, at sa Governor Hills pa kayo nakatira?
Sosyal, ha?
Sabi ko, bill nyo ba to? Opo, bill po na. Aba! Ano mga appliances nyo sa bahay?
Tingin mo, mukha ba siyang anak ng, despite na may team siya, tingin mo yung bihis niya, gano'n. Ano ba yung bihis niya? Madumi o... Pag-describe mo siya.
Naka-cup siya, tapos kupas yung t-shirt, naka-slippers. Hindi naman siya mukhang madumi nga. Maitim lang siya.
So, depende sa itsura niya, you would believe na he really belonged to a household na may ganong kalaking bill.
Hindi ko alam eh. Actually, hindi ko alam what to think that time kanina. Hindi ko alam kung ginagamit siya ng sindikato.
Oo, malamang. Oo, pwede.
Or talagang...
Kung sindikato man yan, ang ginagawa ng sindikato, nangongolekta ng mga Meralco bills tapos sasabihin sa mga bata, oh ito, gamitin mo to. Yan, para magbenta ng basahan. Tapos hanapin yung mga mukhang Donya, ha? Yan. Tapos Englishin nyo.
Ako nakita niya. Ewan ko ba ba't ako nakita niya. Siguro kasi ako pinakamalaki.
Oh, sabi niya, sino kaya pwede bentahan nito? Ayun, no, malaki.
Second demotion ka naman dyan.
Paano ko kukontrahin yun? Totoo naman.
Okay. Sa bagay, compare sa'yo, talagang malaki ako.
Talagang minalita ko, ano?
Compare,
Kaya mag-high heels ako. Sige, tapagawa ko ng high heels.
yung tipong mala Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga talaga.
Yung 10 inches.
Ikaw, gusto mo ba si Lady Gaga? Nainis ako dun.
Well,
Nakakairita eh. Gusto ko sipain.
wala akong problema sa kanya. I am actually following her sa Twitter and
Yeah?
Tumblr. She's okay naman. She's just like any other human being. Kaya lang, syempre, alam mo naman, sa industriya niya, sa Hollywood, you have to really stay stiff for you to stand out.
Yeah, you have to be ridiculous. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alam mo, actually, yung pagka-artistic niya, gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yun talaga. Yung to be different, to be really, artistic. Pero, hindi ko talaga siya pinapanood. Ewan ko. Siguro, hindi ko talaga trip siya. Ganun.
Ayaw yung mga kanta niya?
Meron akong gustong kanta niya. Pero yung performance niya, hindi ko gustong panoorin. Ewan ko.
Can you imagine yourself making love to her?
To who?
To Lady Gaga?
Well, it's just like making love to Justin Bieber. Would you do that?
You're bad. What happened to Drew?
I don't know. She left.
Out na nga dito. Bakit? What's happening?
Ikaw kasi.
Ako ni-aaway mo eh.
Oy, alam mo, ito lang ito, bago tayo magtapos, magsasalita lang ako dun sa Napoles, okay?
Okay.
Ito hindi tungkol dun sa scam. Ito ko lang dun sa mga lumalabas na litrato na pinapakita na baboy siya, ganun yung, minsan yung pinipaste yung mukha niya sa baboy, mga, tingin ko, alam ko na inis yung mga tao sa kanya, pero tingin ko hindi rin maganda yung ganun. Kasi, alam mo yun?
Okay, why?
Parang ginagawang issue yung how she looks like instead of what she did. Tingin mo? Am I being too touchy or am I just, being too conservative? Tingin mo?
This is just
Ikaw?
a way, Filipinos to make things lighter. Make a comic out of it.
Like make fun of the way how she looks like?
Yeah. At marami na...
Pero, kasi parang instead na magka-simpati ako sa mga, instead na mainis ako sa kanya, naawa ako eh. Kasi yung ginagawa sa kanya na ginagawa siyang baboy sa mga litrato. Ewan ko.
Kasi nga, di ba, pork barrel.
Kaya nga, alam ko yun, pork barrel. Kaya, so, meron talagang comparison sa, ginagamit yung pig, yung pork na...
These are the things you cannot avoid for being infamous.
Yeah, I know.
So...
Pero kaya gumawa ako ng blog post sa PinoyPodcast.com. Sabi ko, eto na naman tayo, mahilig na naman tayo mamintas ng itsura ng iba, yung the physical appearance ng mga tao, 'di ba? Kasi sa Pilipinas ka lang makakita ng mga, 'di ba sa Pilipinas, ikaw, how would people describe dark people? Ano narinig mo na ginagamit na term sa kanila? 'Di ba hindi maganda?
Uling.
Uling, 'di ba? Mga ganun.
Meron pa nga, yung kay Nancy Binay before, Black is Beautiful.
Yeah.
At yung color daw ni Nancy Binay is charcoal.
Tingin ko, ang mga Pilipino napaka-racist. Ewan ko lang ito lang ang sa akin na I think we're one of the most racist na society that I know. Kasi bino mo ginagawang issue yung kulay ng balat, yung laki ng ilong,
Ano yan?
pango, di ba?
Sin is territorial. Kapag ang Pilipino nasa Pilipinas, ganyan siya. Pero pag ang Pilipino...
pero pag nasa ibang bansa naman siya, pag pinuna naman yung pango niyang ilong o yung kapandak niya, nagagalit siya, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero pag nasa Pilipinas siya, namimintas naman siya ng maitim, kulot, yung mga,
Sin is territorial.
yung mga mistisong bangus, di ba? Yung mga ganun. Magandang topic yan sa susunod, di ba? Ilalabas ko na ang galit ko. Yan. Galit na ako.
Okay.
Kanina nga, di ba, nagalit kita doon sa cellphone, yung cellphone requirements ko.
Hindi ako nagalit, nabuisit ako.
Madali ka pala magalit.
Yeah, wala na pag makulit talaga. Ayoko nang makulit.
Okay, so let's have a last song. Do you have a request?
Wala eh.
May favorite kang song yung binabagit mo sa akin?
What song?
Yung parang rap.
Yung kung sino-sino hinahanap mo, nandito naman ako.
Yeah, let's play it. Okay?
Okay.
Alright guys, so this is the PinoyPodcast.com live broadcast, 7:30 to 9:30 every day. This is G with DJ Shandala. We're gonna be online live for under 10 minutes, then we'll end the episode. And you can watch a replay. Just go to PinoyPodcast.com. You'll also find a link to our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, our Twitter account, which is becoming very, very active now. Have you seen our Twitter account, Shandala?
Yes, you can follow us at Pinoy Podcast. Right?
Yeah, so you can follow us at Pinoy Podcast. That's our Twitter account. So I'm going to play this song, then we're going to end the episode, and we'll be back.
Stay tuned.
Oh, cute ah.
Shay? Sino to? Ate, siya yung sa flip top, yung rapper. I-add mo, bilis! I-add mo! Okay, eto na.
Yes! Adik sa'yo, awit sa akin, nilang sawa na sa'king mga kwentong marathon tungkol sa'yo at sa ligayang iyong hatid sa aking buhay. Tuloy ang bida sa isipan ko'y ikaw. Sa umaga't sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita. Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Naghahanap ka ng maaaya, pagkasadyang wala kang magawa. Nagsasayang ng bawat oras sa wala. Hala, na-search mo na lahat sa internet,
pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. Kung sino-sino pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. Ako na lang sana.
Pagising sa umaga, text mo ang aking hanap. Lasing sa pag-ibig at ikaw ang aking alak. Parang mali, di ko alam kung tama ba ako. Ang alak yata ay ako, laks na tama ko sa'yo. Isang patak lasing agad sapagkat ikaw yung tipong walang bisyong kinaaadikan ng lahat.
You're listening to the Pinoy Podcast.
And we're back on PinoyPodcast.com. This is the Saturday show with G, yours truly, and G Chandela from Manila, Philippines. Time check is 9:47 in the morning here in New Jersey, New York area. And what time is it there in Manila?
9:47
Yeah.
PM. Yeah,
PM.
PM. Biglang naguluhan kung araw or
Naglanaguluhan. So we're going to end this broadcast. Thank you for listening. You can always go to PinoyPodcast.com to listen to our replays. And we're live every day from 7:30 to 9:30. You can always go to PinoyPodcast.com and join our live chat during our live broadcast. You can also join and be a not a ghost caller. I mean a guest caller. I almost said ghost caller.
Okay.
You can be a guest caller through Skype. So if add us on Skype, the Skype ID is Pinoy Podcast. Also, the Skype ID for DJ Chandela is DJ.Chandela with the H at the end. Don't forget the H at the end.
Chandela.
Grabe, nabulol ako dun Alam mo, while I was saying that, I didn't have something to read, so it was just like me thinking as I talk. I think I'm getting better.
Oh yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Ako rin naman whenever we're on board, I don't have anything to read.
Yeah. So, it's really a challenge. I mean, you have a broadcasting experience, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. So you're the ikaw ang mas veterano sa atin.
Pero mas
dalawa, ikaw mas
matanda ka.
veterano.
Mas matanda ka.
Mas matanda ako pero mas veterano ka.
Okay.
Tsaka mas malaki ka.
Okay. Rub it in. More.
Okay, so ano ba yung linya mo? This is the beautiful Chandela with the... Ikaw magsabi. Let's end this.
Okay. Probably we'll see you when? On Monday?
Monday, yeah. We don't have Sunday broadcast, so we'll be back on Monday.
Okay, guys. Thank you for listening. To Danielle, to Drew. JDC was listening a while ago. And I think Cutie was there also. And we'll see you again on Monday, 7:30 to 9:30. This has
Wait.
been... What?
Wait, dali. Pwedeng bumati.
Okay.
Binabati ko pala yung aking mga pinsan, mga kapatid sa Pilipinas. Si Mary Ann, ang pinsan ko, ang asawa ni Kuya Bong.
Oh, okay.
Bong din ang pangalan
Yeah. I read.
Tumaas ang kilay mo dun
I read your cousin's post saying thank you for greeting her last night.
Yeah. So si Mary Ann was here last night, and she's from Laguna. She's the wife of my cousin Kuya Bong. And also I'd like to greet my sponsors, Seiko Wallet. Wallet na maswerte. Alam mo, pag narinig ng Seiko Wallet to, talagang they will become a sponsor. Tingin mo.
Pag nga na makarinig yung comment ko.
Sabi nila, kawawa naman ito, sponsor na nga natin.
Yeah, most probably.
Yeah. Also, we're gonna have a guest in the coming week, so you'll be surprised sino yung mga nakuha natin guest. So, wag ko munang bagitin, although binanggit mo na kapon, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, this is G, and Chandela, can you repeat what your ending? Yung, ano mo, yung trademark ending mo. Okay. Promise, hindi na ako magbabatiin, okay?
Okay, time check. It's 9:55. This is the beautiful Chandela broadcasting live from Manila. Together with the Sammy Guapo Coach G, broadcasting live from New York. We'll see you again on Monday, same time, same channel. Goodbye.
Pahirap na ang daloy ng panahon. Unti-unting nalilimutan ang kataas-taasang Panginoon. Nag-iisang lumuluha, nahihirapang bumangon. Sa tindi ng pagbagsak at sa pagtulak ng alon, huwag nating limutan ang pinanggalingan at isaalala. Siya ang daan, katotohanan, siya ang liwanag. O Jesus, O Jesus. Sabay-sabay hawak kamay tayo ay magpakitang diwa. Sa madilim na kalagayan, di mawawala ang tiwala. Ikaw ang nagpalaya sa aming mga sala. Muling isaalala, siya ang daan, katotohanan, siya ang liwanag. O Jesus, O Jesus, O Jesus, O Jesus.
You're listening to the Pinoy Podcast.